Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a calm aesthetic coloring for your video edit on CapCut. So first, after you add your video, go to adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness, you need to lower it to -15, contrast in lower it to -10, click on saturation, increase it to 5, exposure 5, increase the sharpen into 15, and then click on the highlight, lower it to -15, shadow 10, increase the temperature into 40, then click on the hue, lower it to -5. And if you want, you can also adjust the each color in the HSL, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. And here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.